Hey guys. Hey guys. And we're back with another video. No time no see. We're about to it's gonna be a little vlog today. Today is Saturday. And today we're going to I can't even hear me. First of all. Today we're going to Bossier. We're going to Cookie Crumble. We're going to a couple places today. Cookie Crumble. To this place where it serves Korean corn dogs and ice creams and junk like that. And oh, focus, baby, dang. I don't know the lighting. It's pretty cloudy. The sun went away. This place where it sells Korean corn dogs and etc. stuff like that. So we're going there, picking up a couple friends, cousins basically, and I like my new hairstyle. I mean, it's just natural. Get up, natural, basically. I have nothing to do with my hair, and I didn't want to put on a wig because it's too hot. So I just did my little untwist by twist, did some little edges, etc. etc. But oh yeah, and we probably go to the mall. And I'm gonna try Cookie Crumble for the first time because I ain't tried it. I'm so late on there. I'm so late on it, trying it. So yeah, we'll do an outfit check. Oh, why did it get so dark like that? Is it like okay? But yeah, we'll do an outfit check, but I ain't gonna do an outfit check right now. Like today, take a couple pictures because I feel like I look good with my little natural hair. You know, who doesn't feel good with their natural hair? Embrace it, honey. Oh my gosh, it's been so long. Like, I'm supposed to have been started. I'm gonna start at the end of the summer. Right before I go back to school, knowing dang way I barely post when I'm in school. I just started, like last semester, with the Q&A and the hot seat, and I ain't forgot about the other hot seat, baby. I'm still doing it. But yeah, hopefully I'll pick up my cousins. Gonna head out. Now, I ain't gonna record like everything, but I'm gonna record where I'm going to eat and stuff like that. We walk around the mall, see what I can find. I ain't got that much money on me, but I'm gonna see what I can find. Look at the police. Since it is a vlog, I can tell y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Anyway, since this is a vlog, I can tell y'all some little stuff that's been going on with me. Ain't nothing going on with me. I've been working like I was last summer when I first started with my mom. Come get y'all a plate Tuesday through Friday, 11 to 2. Get y'all a plate. But yeah, I had got my tongue pierced, but I'm gonna get it pierced. I'm gonna take y'all with me to go get it pierced next time again because I took it out. It was the stick eyes, and I had it, but I wasn't gonna be able to work with that because like it's at the tip of my tongue, and I use the tip of my tongue for a lot. You know, getting food out your teeth and stuff like that. It's my uncle. Getting food out my teeth and stuff like that. You know, moving food around in my mouth. And I feel like I was gonna bite that thing out. But I had a chipped tooth, and I was not trying to chip it again. So, I'm gonna pick up Kira. I think y'all know Kira. I don't even know if she's been in any of my videos. Literally, she do.
You do too.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Say hey to my camera.
Where?
Right here. This is my camera. Say hey.
Hey.
But tell her, come on. Where she at? Love it as hell. But yeah, what I was talking about? Oh, I got another tattoo. Let me see. I'm about to show y'all. Nothing too big. It was on my leg. Alright. is this? Well, hold on. There ain't no flowers. It's raining down here. We gotta go. I gotta go. But yeah.
Oh, hey YouTube. Let me tell you what to do. Look at my umbrella. I look black as fucking in caramel.
Nah, it's just like that because it's in. I've been cooking.
I look black as hell. I mean, black is on. So I put your umbrella in.
It's back there in the window.
I go get mine.
Yeah. Yeah, that's one. And we gotta get the other. We gotta hurry up and go. I don't like driving on the interstate while it's raining. I don't even like rain, period, while I'm driving. I had a little incident, so. But what I was saying, got me a tattoo. I got nothing else. But I'm most definitely gonna take out with me when I go get my my frog eyes. What else the updated y'all? What else updated y'all? Nah. Long wheel 5.
I got my Mary Poppins umbrella.
Okay. Ain't no children behind me.
I don't know if no, I can't say it on YouTube.
You get canceled. Ain't even famous to get canceled, but you gonna get canceled.
Nah, because if I get famous, I'm gonna be like, cancel her.
She said, run over a child. I'm happy to be back. I'm trying to post. I know I gotta post at least 3 videos. I can start getting paid early, y'all. I need like 500 subscribers though. I only got 59. Ain't even 100.
I'm sorry.
Ain't even 100. Yeah. So
I'm trying to
gotta get it together. Yeah, I be having like 100 views, but 59 subscribers. Gotta get it together. I know it's sometimes on my fault because I barely be posting like that, and I barely advertise it. But when I do, y'all don't subscribe.
That's how you say it.
Huh?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. But I say subscribe. What's the thing?
I bet you shit.
But yeah. Hope my natural hair look good for today. I'm not natural because I permed my hair. I permed it. I'm trying to record still till I go get Leah. Oh my god. I don't like the rain.
Yeah, I saw you scared of the rain.
Oh my god.
I was getting bad. Y'all look. Can y'all see it? Think y'all can. Hi, my name is Kira. I am 20.
Okay, interview.
I go to SAU. I'm studying to be a social worker. And I'll probably fall back in real estate, probably. But if that rap shit don't work, we robbing houses. She don't laugh at my jokes. I be funny fool.
Oh my god. I'm trying to concentrate.
But
this is not a joke.
But yeah, my name's Kira.
I should have been left.
My Snap name gonna be right there. Follow me on Snap and Instagram.
I didn't make sure I can leave her out.
Y'all, it's raining so bad.
Yeah.
Y'all don't talk about town. That's a crackhead house right there. He live in lavish. He live in lavish. My lash and stuff. Oh damn, I forgot. Come on here, check my lash. Yeah, we got a chicken dilly.
Oh,
subscribe if y'all got a chicken dilly.
Oh. Wait.
Subscribe if y'all got a chicken dilly.
Oh my god.
Y'all, it's terrible. Then we got to show you. Oh my god. Pennywise. I mean Georgie. Look at Georgie. Oh my god. Georgie. My baby girl is... Oh shit, I can't sing.
You can sing a little clip, but you can't just sing the whole song. That's copyright.
Y'all, let me, I don't look good right now. I ain't finna show y'all this picture. Y'all, Shania said this was the devil work. Y'all, I thought I checked.
It ain't the devil work because she ain't got the other fingers pointing to the bottom.
Y'all, I don't even know how it changed it, but long little portion, long little kill. Y'all already know the deal. Ain't that right?
Long little.
Portion.
Oh yeah, I was about to say, Kira, I thought you said kill. I was like, who is that?
Oh my gosh, you got my okay now, cousin. But for though, long live now. Yeah. We starting to go fund me for them too.
Alright, cause they ain't gonna fucking.
This me, for real. Like this how I look for real.
Humpty Dumpty. I don't know.
I like Humpty Dumpty.
No, I was just saying.
You like it? What I said? As soon as I said I look like this, you gotta say Humpty Dumpty. Damn, I like Humpty Dumpty.
Nah, man.
Cause I got on white. Cause I got on white.
Alright.
I do be feeling like a potato with legs.
We're getting Leah. When I come outside. Wait a minute, like.
Y'all, Lil be taking forever and day to come outside.
Yeah, she gonna lie. Ooh, do not be taking that.
Lil be taking forever and day to come outside. Shy be taking forever and day. Y'all, when Shy tell y'all to be ready at 2, certain time.
No, it's
don't get ready
let
for
me
this
tell you
time.
something. I had to go turn in some change at Brookshire's. The machine kept on stopping up like 3 times. It stopped up. All the coins fell on the floor. Then I had to go to the store get hair ties because all the rubber bands at the house keep on popping on my hair, and I had to fix my hair. And then I came. And first of all, I don't even have to explain myself.
I mean, you just did. I was just looking
I
at you.
know.
I was looking at you. Can I play this?
I waiting on Lil to come.
I'm saying, like, can I connect? Like,
Oh yeah.
I know what we wait for.
Damn.
These bitches look down.
It was taking a little minute, but hey, I took a little minute. Kira took a little minute.
You a lie.
Yes, you did, because I had to tell Kaden to go in there and get you.
I went by my phone.
Well, you still took a little minute.
I went by my phone, sweetie.
I'm ready to try these Korean corn dogs.
I need a 10 or 11. No, because that's on average. To me, that's weird. That's why I was saying, like, for people our age, 8 is average, but I don't know.
What is she saying? What are you talking about?
Girl, he asked. Hey, y'all back with me.
I thought you didn't.
Look how fat I am.
Where is my phone?
Ain't nothing wrong with them rolls. And if whoever try to discourage fat girls and be like, oh, fat girls this, fat girls that, fat girls next, just know it's nothing wrong with y'all rolls. Got courage. Try your titties.
Stop touching me.
Hi.
Hello.
Yeah, we got Leah. Subscribe.
No, I was in Brookshire's.
Subscribe to Leah.
Yeah.
Deep love so.
Already?
I ain't show her good. You said AT&T? We need to get back with AT&T, man. We got huge. That shit's so fucking terrible.
I think we're at AT&T. Or it is huge. One of them. Oh, girl, this is everybody I'm picking up. I think it is huge. I'm gonna see y'all when
I doubt it's AT&T.
Get to the mall or something. Whatever.
Because I was there. Unless you...
We're at the mall. Finna go in here. What a niggas.
Looking for the hook! Oh. Quit playing with me. Bitch, gonna suck my toes.
Okay.
My onion.
You keeping that for all so bad? Yeah, I'm keeping it. Oh. Keep this one.
Say.
It look like you. What? Okay. Turn me up, I'm trying to. Yeah, that's how you do me on Facebook. It look like you.
Lil, when I see a motherfucker with big titties, of course I'm gonna say it's you. When you see a bitch that look like a potato with legs, you can say it's me.
I will do an outfit shoot. I should have that.
And these jeans, your jeans. I guess I'm losing her because these jeans used to fit snug.
These did too a little bit. I thought I've been sitting down a lot now. My hair look crazy a little. Alright, what my hair look like to you?
Like you fall like it don't look crazy. You know how my twin was? It was like curly.
They ain't have to say like
Crinkly, yeah. You gotta do these braids over.
Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do me some twist though.
You want to try that twist up?
Huh?
Twist?
What twist?
Some Asian twist, like.
I'm gonna do some bohemian bread. Do some bohemian bread.
Yeah, I tried it, but I'm not trying to twist though. But I think they're gonna like unravel or something. That's what I'm thinking.
I'm doing me some, but I'm doing some different hair. That's cute.
How long you need to change?
Yeah, but they live in that water. It's a little goldfish in there.
And it's like algae, yeah.
Nigga, I've been watching a British clean the pool, and he be like algae.
I'm gonna stop recording in a minute. Give it about 10 minutes of recording in here. The duck's in there. Oh, them shoes I put to begin. What I want.
The red one or the peach one?
The peach. Oh, yeah.
I'm sorry. Well, where?
Yeah. Just a look though. I ain't gonna get it. We do something else. But I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. So hey y'all, I'm back. We in Bath and Body Works. They have a sale. It's the last day of the sale, baby, and I'm about to give me some things, okay? Okay. Let's get some perfume. Look cute. Don't smell bad. This smell kind of good. 16. That's $4. Oh man, yes ma'am. This stuff is cheap right now, girl. You better get into it. You know me, I love me some perfume. If you know me, you know me. Candy, like cotton candy, cloud. Oh, let me see though. I don't know about that. Cause for real, cause I don't know how much he. Oh, wait a minute. Y'all, this kind of bust. Wait a minute. Let me get me a bottle.
Yeah, they really put the name in it for real.
Yeah, I'll just stuff for that. By the way, I'm gonna see y'all later. Then, yeah, and we back, and we at Waffles and Dogs. This is where the Korean corn dogs is, and they got this waffle ice cream.
We ain't dogs, like y'all.
Counselor, if she get famous, counselor, because I say Koreans, they Asians, and she just say eating dogs. Okay, they cooking animals. Hey, she was all up in here.
Bring her damn neck then. Yeah, we saw a crackhead walk a while ago. Back long as hell. Shit is full. Tragic.
She said she had shit on the back of her pants.
She did with brown, like you know it was something. Go ahead, but go ahead, do you?
Oh my god, I didn't even know that's what you were doing. See, I'm from the city. I'm not from the city though. Why
did you just want watch it? Oh man, they want to lie. I think the white in all caps.
what? It's pretty. It looks so movie. Oh, we in here. We in here. Hey. Y'all know I like BTS, and it just got it, everything. Oh my gosh. Y'all look at this. This is so pretty. And we can, yeah. It's like a 10-minute wait. This is most definitely copyright because this is like K-pop. This is so pretty in here, man. real different.
Purple, gold, white, gray, khaki. Oh, they can wear shorts again. Palmer High.
You know what? Cause when my senior year, I was
They can
planning
wear
on wearing shorts. Oh, we didn't wear Crocs here.
We
They must
could.
took it away from y'all.
We could.
Yeah, I mean, they must took it away from you. Y'all class.
I just don't remember nobody had them wrong. I don't
Baby, I
remember
stayed with
nobody
Crocs.
had
I didn't wear shoes.
well, them freshmen.
I did not wear shoes.
I don't know. I guess it took me by surprise because I actually
Yeah,
see
we
it.
did wear Crocs, Carol.
Yeah, I kind of remember that. I just didn't remember like
That is so crazy. Them shorts is crazy. I want to wear shorts.
Feast of the Principal. Miss Sales in Hayesville.
Oh yeah, Feast is about that bad in.
And then
That's a song. Hello. Why you ask?
like, come on now, she doing that.
And we got our food. I got this Nutella waffle. See, everybody, if somebody else got some ice cream, it would be better than mine. I mean, mine, but. And we got the Korean corn dogs. I think one of these like cheddar cheese and a weenie, and mozzarella and weenie. So let's get into it. Let's take a bite.
I like my brother fix and stuff.
Which one do I want to get first? I think this one. I'm gonna try the weenie. The weenie and cheddar cheese.
I got to look for chicken one.
I'm messing with it. I'm messing with it.
This stick got him.
Look at that.
It tastes like a regular hot dog. And then we'll do.
There's cheese in that one. Down on it. I'm messing with this one though. When you said it tastes like a real hot dog. Dang your mouth. Oh, mouth water airline. Oh, man.
I bet remember.
I can go ahead and wait till we or a cookie crumble or something because yeah. But 10 out of 10 though. It's called Gina Waffle and Dogs. Cool. So we're back, guys, and I got my cookie crumble. I got the 4-pack. These bitches high as fuck, but let me stop cussing. I got the I got the pink one, the regular pink one, the chocolate chip, Sunday brownie, and birthday cake. It's like 4th of July cookie, but anyways, they harder than I thought. I'm gonna try the pink one first. Ooh, cause that's what I be seeing most time. This bitch cold.
Oreo.
It good.
It's like a brownie.
Yeah.
I'm about to throw one out.
Damn, this cold.
Oh, it's chilled.
This
It's supposed to be. Sorry, I'm supposed to say that. Oh, this cold right here. It's just like a brownie.
Is it good?
It tastes like a sugar cookie. It's hard to break. Then got that chocolate chip. This look is big.
Look at that truck.
What's truck look like?
That truck.
This one y'all talking about?
Yeah.
These are big chocolate chips. I don't like chocolate chips like that. Good. Oh. Okay. The chocolate chip one good.
This my niece. So pretty.
She gonna eat it that.
She better edit my niece out.
Oh, don't say it like that, because I do what I want. Birthday cake. This look like the 4th of July.
You can't even see it, guys.
Okay, thank you.
You don't look like this. You wanna try it, girl?
Yeah, a little piece. Not that big ass piece.
Like, break it.
Thank you.
This is like cheesecake.
That's a brownie cookie. I don't like it.
From the pink one, I really like a semi-10. Chocolate chip, semi-10. Birthday cake, probably like a 9. I don't know if I want to try the sundae.
It's like I'll say a 7. A 6.
Man, that cute.
I'm gonna wait.
She got on that job, baby. She be going out. I know that's right.
That birthday cake, I can't eat these right now because I gotta eat real food. We finna eat again. But anyway, y'all gonna like my pictures. Prrr.
Influencers acting like they cleaned up the beach.
No.
And they threw it back down. Like they would pick it up like sticks and sand and stuff, acting like they cleaned up the beach.
Yeah.
And then after
The video.
yeah, she just threw the trash bag down. I said, oh,
QP.
It was a famous TikTok. I probably just do TikTok.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Don't give me with that. I thought I got shocked.
Cause I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. Cause I ain't gonna lie. That editing, I ain't gonna do it.
Most people be editing for TikTok. Like, TikTok got guidelines, bitch. But the shit you be saying, you can get
I'm gonna get banned. Let me make one right now.
I see y'all when I get out of Buffalo Wild because we're back. I done dropped my cousin them off. Okay, right. Yeah. I got stuff to there going like that. Wait a minute. Focus. Okay. I done dropped my cousin them off. I got my stuff for today. I did buy me some Bath and Body Works. I'm gonna show the clip of me buying it, but it's like, it was basically like, I don't know. This smell like oranges. Smelling some sweet cuties, oranges and stuff like that. I like oranges, so I like the smell. I got this. I couldn't find a lotion to this, but y'all, they had a sale today. 70% off on that whole table. So it was like $20 candle. I got a candle. It smells good. Just pink lemonade. It's my kind of candle. I should have got 2. I think I would have had enough money to get 2. I think I would have had enough money to get me 2. I need some soap. I don't know what it smells like, but I need some soap for the bathroom anyway. So, then, yeah, when Buffalo Wild Wings, I did get my Buffalo Wild Wings. And I got my hat. Did y'all see that hat that I got? I don't think so. Let me show y'all. It's so pretty. It's not the one I wanted. I'm gonna show a clip. But it's not the one I wanted. But it's what I got. It's cute. It's a feeling. Probably vibes. And it's the baseball hat. It's real cute. I'm gonna have like more of a brown aesthetic when I go to school. So it's like, that matches everything. Like a nude color. Wasn't it today? Was a pretty successful day. The Korean corn dog. The mozzarella good. I ain't no mozzarella person. You know what I'm saying? But that cheddar cheese and that weenie, I love that one. If I go back, I'm going to get that one again. I'm so sleepy. It don't make no sense. Today has been a day. I'll see y'all probably when I get back to the house with my mama. Trying these cookies and that's it. I'm take my nap. I'm gonna end the video there and I'm gonna take my nap. I'm gonna be back outside again after that. So it don't matter. Yeah. So my mama really didn't want to try the cookies like that, so I didn't even record her. But anyway, if you like this video, leave a comment and a like. And if you're new here, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.